Hi, first grade. Happy Friday. Today we will make a connection on how to be a good friend by writing a sentence that tells how we are a good friend. This is important so we can become better writers. You're going to get out yesterday's assignment, and then you're going to complete the sentence about how you are a good friend. So yesterday you wrote, first, you smile at them. Second, you say hi to them. You might have written next, ask them if they want to play. You might have written last, play a game together. Today you're going to write, I am a good friend because I blank. So after your last sentence, you're going to add, I am a good friend because I. And you're going to tell me how you are a good friend. So yesterday you wrote these two sentences, and then you added next and last. So after last, you're going to add, I am a good friend because I what? What's something that you do or you say that makes you a good friend? Then when you are finished writing that sentence, you are going to go back and make sure that you have written on the lines, that you have written in your best handwriting, you have finger spaces between words, you have capitals at the beginning of each sentence, and you have a period at the end of each sentence. So let's review what we did today. We made a connection on how to be a good friend. We added a sentence to our story, I am a good friend because I blank. And we went back and we checked to make sure we wrote on the lines, we wrote in our best handwriting, we used finger spaces between words, we used capitals at the beginning and punctuation at the end of each sentence. When you are finished, you may take a picture and turn it into your Google Classroom. Have a great weekend, first grade.